Hi everyone! Today we're going to show you how to grow radishes from seeds. Radishes are easy to grow and make a great addition to any vegetable garden. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this video is for you. First, choose the right radish seeds from Back to Nature Seed Company, your online source for high-quality seeds. Order online at www.backtonaturecompany.com. We offer a wide selection of radish seeds to fit all your gardening needs. Next, prepare the soil in your garden bed or container. Radishes like well-drained soil with a slightly acidic pH. Sow the seeds directly in the soil or in seed starting trays. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil and water them well. Place the seeds in a sunny location and keep the soil moist. Thin the seedlings to about 3 inches apart once they have 2 to 3 true leaves. Radishes are ready to harvest in just 4 to 6 weeks. When the radish is firm and has reached the size you like, simply pull it from the ground. Congratulations! You now know how to grow radishes from seeds. For all your gardening needs, visit Back to Nature Seed Company at www.backtonaturecompany.com. Shop now for high-quality seeds, garden supplies, and everything you need to grow your own food. Like, comment and subscribe for more gardening tutorials and more. Happy gardening!